How to add a container box in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add container box to your Wix Studio website. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. You can click on it and then you will be in that website dashboard. This is my website dashboard. You can navigate to edit site. You can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor. So now I want to add a new section. So I'm gonna click add section here, and then we're gonna add container box. But before that, I want to add some elements. So maybe image. Click it and change image. We're gonna put the image in the container box. Maybe this one, just for example, and then add to page. And then I'm gonna add new text, maybe tutorials with Sienna, just like that, and then put in here. Now we're gonna add the container box. You can click add element, and then as you can see, there is container here. You can click it, and then it will be like this. Now also you can add media on the container, but I'm not gonna add it. Now I want to make it bigger, like this maybe. I'm gonna drag here. And then I'm gonna move this image to the container box. And then this text to the container box here maybe. And the image here, like that. Now, if we click the container box, it will be like this. So it attached. So the text and the image attached to the container box. And now you can move it together. So I think that's it, how to add a container box to your Wix Studio website. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.